Hello, good morning, dear students. How are you all? Today we will learn lesson number 7 Shubhashitani. Shubhashitani means Subhashitas. Shubhashit has been called a gem on earth because this little couplet is mine of thoughts and it has the ability to bring change in life. In this chapter, 5 such Subhashitas have been presented. First is donation, truth and knowledge are the true adornments of the hands, the throat and the ears, respectivity. Second one is the difference between good and evil persons has been explained with the example of the cuckoo and the crow. Third one is good people are constant in their thoughts, speech and deeds. Then fourth one is mother and father are epitomes of God. And fifth one is the one who seeks knowledge must shun comfort happiness and the one who seeks comfort must shun knowledge. Okay. Now first one हस्तस्य भूषणं दानं सत्यम कंठस्य भूषणम श्रोत्रस्य भूषणम शास्त्रम भूषणम की प्रयोजनम. Hastasya means of the hand. Bhushanam means ornament. Kanthasya means of the neck, throat. Satyam means truth. Shotrasya means of the ear. Shastram means knowledge. Bhushanam means of other ornaments. Prayojanam means purpose or need. Now translation. The true ornament of hands is donation. The true ornament of the throat is truth. The true ornament of ears is knowledge. Then, of what use are other ornaments? Now second, काकः कृष्णः पीकः कृष्णः को भेद काक पीकयो वसंत समये प्राप्ते काकः काकः पीकः पीकः. Kaka means a crow. Krishna means black. Pika means cuckoo. And peek kakayo means between a crow and a cuckoo. Kaha. Kaha means what? Veda means difference. Vasanta samaye prapti means when springtime arrives. Kaka. Kaka means a crow. Kakah kakah, 2 times. A crow is a crow. And pikah pikah means a cuckoo is a cuckoo. Now translation. A crow is black, a cuckoo is black. What is the difference between a crow and a cuckoo? When springtime arrives, a crow is a crow and a cuckoo is a cuckoo. Now third one. यथा चितम तथा वाचा तथा क्रिया चिते वाण्या क्रियायां च साधु नामेक रूपता. यथा मीन्स लाइक, एज, जस्ट एज. चितम मीन्स थॉट्स और माइंड. तथा मीन्स लाइक, वाइज, सेम टू. वाच मीन्स स्पीच. क्रिया मीन्स एक्शन. Chite means in the mind. Vanyam means in speech. Kriyayam means action. Sadhuna means good people or gentlemen. Ekrupta means uniformity. Now translation. Just as the mind is the speech is, just as the speech is the action is, there is uniformity in the thoughts, speech and actions of good people. Now fourth one. Sarva tirthamayi mata, sarva devmaya pita, mataram pitram tasmata, sarva yatnena pujayet. Sarva tirthamayi means symbol of all pilgrimages. Sarva devmaya means symbol of all gods. Tasmat means therefore or for this reason. Matram Pitram. Matram Pitram means to mother and to father. Sarva Yatnen means with all efforts. And Pujayet. Pujayet means should be worshipped. We should consider our parents to be symbols of God. The favors best word means upon us by them are invaluable. So we should worship them is presented here. Okay. Now translation. Mother is the symbol of all pilgrimages. Father is the symbol of all gods. Therefore one must make all efforts to worship mother and father. Now fifth one. Sukharthi त्यजेत विद्या विद्यार्थी त्यजेत सुखम Sukharthin kuto vidya kuto vidyarthin sukham. Sukharthi means one who desires comforts. Then chet means if. Tyajet means give up or leave. Vidyarthi means one who desires knowledge. Sukharthin means one who desired comforts. Kuta means from where. Now translation. A person who desired comfort, he must give up knowledge, and a person who desired knowledge, he must give up comfort. From where, how can one desired comfort get knowledge, and from where, how can one desiring knowledge get comfort? So are you understand this Subhasitas? Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.